स्टडी आईक्यू में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लर्निंग इंग्लिश इन लेस देन 10 मिनट्स में देखेंगे कई प्रकार के तरीके, किस प्रकार से हम लोगों को यस बोल सकते हैं, हाँ कह सकते हैं। हम यहाँ पर हाँ कहने के कुछ तरीकों पे फोकस करेंगे। लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी सिंपल एंड फन क्विज। यहाँ पर एज यू कैन सी, व्हेन आई आस्क्ड माय स्कूल फ्रेंड, जब मैं अपने स्कूल फ्रेंड से मिली, where he was working, he replied, aqua thermal treatment of ceramics, aluminium and steel under a constrained environment. Aqua thermal treatment of ceramics, aluminium and steel under a constrained environment. आपको towards the end of the video हम of course discuss करेंगे। आपको यहाँ पर comment section में लिखना है कि ये इसका क्या मतलब है। And of course, towards the end of the video, we're going to be discussing this. Starting on with the ways that we can say yes. कुछ बहुत ही fun, important तरीके, 10 plus ways to say yes. Do you want to come over for dinner this weekend? क्या आप यहाँ पर हमारे साथ डिनर खाना चाहेंगे सैटरडे संडे को? Yeah, oh yeah, yeah or oh yeah. These are two very simple ways of saying yes. जब भी आप किसी को हाँ कहना चाहते हैं, yes बोलना चाहते हैं, so you can always say yeah, I'm in, I will come. Yeah, I'm in, I will come. You're cool with coming over for a movie. You're cool with coming over for a movie. Yup, yuppers, yup, yuppers. Yuppers जो शब्द है ये colloquial शब्द है। इसे of course हम English movies और serials में देखते हैं, but normally conversations में आप इसका use ना करें, that will be better. But of course yup is very commonly used as a way to say yes. So you need to note that yuppers is not recommended in your day-to-day language or conversation. Did you eat the entire cotton candy? Yup, I did. Did you eat the entire cotton candy? Yup, I did. Would you like to have dinner now? Sure. Sure. Sure thing. I'm super hungry. Sure or sure thing. I'm super hungry. तो या तो आप sure बोल सकते हैं या sure thing बोल सकते हैं when you are trying to say yes for something. Should we plan a surprise party for her? Should we plan a surprise party for her? Now यहाँ पर it is a unique way of saying yes, जो कि commonly use होता है among native English speakers. It's a colloquial way to say yes, and that is for shizzle my nizzle. For shizzle my nizzle. For shizzle my nizzle का अर्थ होता है for sure my friend. For shizzle my nizzle. For shizzle my nizzle. So for sure my friend. Can we use your gadgets for today? Can we use your gadgets for today? क्या हम आपके electronic gadgets को use कर सकते हैं आज? For sure. For shizzle. For sure. For shizzle. Can we come along? क्या हम साथ आ सकते हैं? Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. You can also mention okie dokie. That's another way to say yes. You're coming tonight, right? You're coming tonight, right? Right. Right on. जब भी कोई आपसे प्रश्न पूछ के एंड में right डालते हैं, you can immediately reply अगर आप yes बोलना चाहते हैं with a right. You've done your homework, right? Right. So that is how you can use right as a way to say yes. Can you finish your report by tonight? Can you finish your report by tonight? All right. All right. All right भी एक तरीका है जिसके थ्रू आप yes बोल सकते हैं. So that is another way. Will we generate profits this year? क्या हम profits कमा सकते हैं इस साल? This is slightly professional, therefore you can reply as definitely, certainly, definitely, certainly. These are also two ways जिसके थ्रू आप yes बोल सकते हैं. Do you love English? Do you love English? Of course. Of course. Of course भी एक तरीका है जिसके थ्रू आप yes बोल सकते हैं. So of course also becomes a way of saying yes. Of course, that's another way. Now another very common way which is colloquial parlance में use होता है, can I go tomorrow? Can I go tomorrow for the picnic? Can I go tomorrow for the party? Totes my goats or totes my goats. Totes my goats या totes my goats. So इसे totes my goats बोला जाता है. That is also a way of saying yes. Totes my goats. Totes my goats. इसका अर्थ होता है totally. Yes, you can. Totally. Totes my goats. Should I accompany her? क्या मैं उसके साथ जाऊं? Should I accompany her? Totally. Or totes my goats. Totally. Totes my goats. That's another way of saying yes. एक बहुत ही कॉमन वे yes बोलने का that is we should start at 5 PM. हमें अपनी यात्रा 5 बजे शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. It sounds good and it sounds good to me. So यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने 10+ ways देखे किस प्रकार से हम किसी को yes बोल सकते हैं. From of course the most common, certainly, definitely, of course, to some very commonly used words by native speaker जैसे for shizzle, my nizzle, for sure, my friend. We also saw totes my goats, that is totally. Those are some ways of saying yes. Now moving on, मैंने आपको वीडियो से पहले पूछा था कि जब मैं अपनी स्कूल फ्रेंड से मिली and I asked him what he was doing, he said aquathermal treatment of ceramics, aluminium and steel under a constrained environment. इसका क्या अर्थ हुआ? जब मैंने पहली बार ये सुना aquathermal treatment of ceramics, aluminum and steel under constrained environment, I was massively impressed. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा impressed हो गई थी. But later I realized that idiot was actually washing utensils in warm water under the supervision of his wife. So as you can see over here in the image, वो बर्तन धो रहा था. So like we said, English is a beautiful language. आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि किस प्रकार से आप इसका प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से डिफरेंट निराले अनोखे वे में आप जो बात कहना चाहते हैं उसे कन्वे कर सकते हैं. One more thing before we go, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में एक क्वेश्चन लिख सकते हैं और उसका yes जो रिप्लाई है जो आज हम लोगों ने तरीके देखे उन्हीं में से एक तरीके से yes बोलने का रिप्लाई कीजिएगा. So post a question along with that use a yes that we have learned in today's video. You can follow me or you can stay in touch with me on Instagram नीरजा रहेजा के नाम से. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट्स हैं इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में तो वो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं.